Hello ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome to Authentic Media. So in this particular video we'll be talking about this latest incoming social media platform that is currently trending right now. So it's a new platform, right? So and it is called X.me, right? So this is it. S.me. If you take a look at my dashboard, you will see it right here. So you can do a lot of things in this particular social media platform. You can share, you can comment, you can like, you can post, you can build community right here. So but there are interesting things about this particular platform that I want us to discuss. Okay, so before we enter the platform, let me take you guys to our WhatsApp community, where we'll be seeing some things about the platform right here, because we've already made a post about it right here. So that's why I always encourage you guys to jump on our social media platform, so that before we made any update on our YouTube, you guys must have gotten the first-hand information. So this is it right here. So this is how the interface looks like, and you can see some posts we've made about it right here. So once you sign up immediately, you are going to be getting 40 XME token. So like I said, there's important or let me say there's benefits attached to this platform because they are new in the market. So they first of all want to reward the early adopters, thereby generating traffic and awareness, and also building it to a larger audience. All right, so now once you join immediately as an early adopter, you are going to be receiving 40 XME token, which is going to be listed in no distance time. So you have to complete some task as well and earn real doge coins right here. Okay, so and this is place you can download the app. So I'm going to be leaving the description, leaving the link to the platform in the description section and comment section of this video. So all you have to do is just head straight to your Play Store, download the app and set it up. The process is very simple. Okay, so make sure you use our referral code so that you get your welcome bonus as well. So with that being said and done, let me dive straight into the app, then we can proceed from there. Let me wait for it to come up. All right, so this is how the interface looks like. So like I said, this is a pure social media platform like the rest of TikTok, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and so on and so forth, because you can make a post right here and you can watch videos, you can read post, everything, pure social media platform. So you can interact, you can share, you can bookmark, you can comment, you can like, and so on and so forth. So these are the interface right here. So at the dashboard you can see for me, following, and every other things. So when you look at the downboard right here, you will see the home section, then the video section, where you can be able to make some posts, then the notification bar, and your personal information details section. So all right, so now for instance, as the home dashboard is like this, for now you want to watch some videos, you come to this interface right here and you start seeing some videos. All right, you guys can see it now. So there are a lot of things right here, and you are going to enjoy this platform. Okay, you're going to enjoy this platform. So there are a lot of videos to watch right here, and you can interact while doing all those things. So if you really want to share something to people, then you come to this particular place. So after signing up, you come to this particular plus button. This is where you can share, and the signing up process is very simple. Like I said, you will see an option to join through mobile number or email address. So for me, I made use of my email address and it was very, very swift and fast. So you just have to put your email address and put our referral code. The options will be there where you put your email address and the code. Okay, then you set your password, then you sign up. It's as simple as that. So after signing up, they will prompt you to make a facial verification, to verify that you are a real human being and not a bot. And immediately you just verify your face, it will be automatically verified instantly. Okay, then you will get your dashboard. So that is just the step-by-step guide on how to sign up. Okay, so like I said, I'll be showing you guys how to get the coins and stuff like that, but let's just proceed with the features of the platform. So you can check this notification bar right here to see if you have any notification, likes, comments, and so on. So if you come to profile right here, this is where you'll be seeing your details. Okay, so if you really want to edit your details, you can come here and change some things, like you can change your username, whatever. So once you start following people or people start following you, like I said, it's a pure social media platform. You see the number of people following you here, the number of people you are following, subscription, collect, comment, everything. So just join and work around this project. You will definitely love it. Okay, so now this is where it gets more interesting. After joining, you come to this particular session. This is where you will see the XME token. So these particular people are currently rewarding us with real tokens, right? So now this is their own coin, XME, and it's currently worth 0.0058 in the market. So after signing up with our bonus code, you are going to be receiving 40 pieces, which equals 0.2357 at the time of making this video, or as it stands right now. So, and if you can be able to refer your family, friends, everybody to this particular project, you still earn more of these tokens. Okay, so for instance, now we are in the session of Genesis Ambassador, where they are splitting 300 million SME rewards. So after that, then we'll proceed to this particular one that says daily lottery. They are sharing 10,000 Dogecoin every day. So after you've gotten this particular one, then you come to this daily lottery. You see where they will ask you to join today's lottery or stuff like that. You just tap on it, then you wait for the reward. Then once all those things are done, then we'll proceed with the remining of the token. So this is a very long-term thing that nobody should afford to miss. So you come to this Genesis Ambassador. This is where you will get your referral links to invite your family and friends and everybody. Okay, so this is here. You get your own invitation code right here. Then you can copy your link right here and share. You guys can see invite friends. The inviter gets 100 SME and the invitee gets 40 SME, first come first serve. So this is what they are currently doing. Become a Genesis ambassador and split 300 million SME rewards. So this is for the first come first serve people, early adopters. So after that, official mining will start. After the splitting, official mining will start. So do well to utilize this opportunity and join the early bet in this particular platform. So as time goes on, I'll still get you guys posted whenever there's any latest updates right here. I'll get you guys posted when the token is being launched and everything. So after the draw, you are going to be seeing the amount of Dogecoin you receive right here. Then the free token you receive and your referral bonus, everything will be accumulating in your wallet. Even when the mining will start, you guys will see mine to earn coming soon. I'll still get you guys posted and notified. So do well to get started immediately after watching this video with the details in the description section and comment section of this video. So thank you guys. Set up your accounts right here, start interacting and start building up your community. Okay, so till I come your way next time, see you guys now on this video. Bye.